All right, the rule for putting it in your calculator, remember, we can only plug in your calculator log base 10, right? So there's a little cheat rule I like. The little cheat rule is you take the log base b of a and it equals the log of a over the log of b. Now what I like to do is kind of cheat and just go, well, here, I'll show you a separate one. The log base b of a, and what I like to do is just draw the line and take the log. Bam. It's easy. Okay? So, if we do that, we can plug it in our calculator really easy. It's always just boom, log, boom, log, boom, log. Then you plug in both. I mean, this is calculator work, right? So, in other words, we would go log 16. Anybody? I hope so. Yeah. So I like log. Where's my log at? Log 16. Right? And then hit in parentheses divided by log of 1/2, or 1 divided by 2. And that would be -4. So, but what I want to do is show you that this can be done mentally still. Think about this. 1/2 to what power is equal to 16? Well, I know I got to flip it, right? So it's going to be negative. And then 2 to what power is 16? 2 to the 4, right? So x is -4. So, okay, and we can plug this one into the calculator too, but think about this for a second. I'm not sure if I'm right on this, but I started thinking about it and going, okay, I think I can do this in my head. I think I can, all right, log, all right, so this is 25. 25 to what power, right, is equal to 125. And like we know that 5 times 25 is 125. Think about that. What is 5? What power is 5? What is 5 of 25? 1/5, right? 1/5 of it, right? So my idea was that this is equal to 1/5, but then that wouldn't be quite right because 1/5 of 25 would be 5. It wouldn't be 125, right? So then I'm thinking, okay, 1/5 of 25. Yeah, it's still not going to work. I was thinking maybe square it, so it'd be 2/5, right? So that's not going to work in my head either. So we'll plug it in the calculator, see what it is. So we're just going to go, again, log of 125, right? Log of 125 divided by log 25 equals 1.5. So I guess I was kind of on the right track. I was thinking 1/5, but then I was going with, I'd have to be one of them. But I would have never came up with 1.5. Not yet. I got to think about it in a different way, obviously. But yeah, so it's equal to 1.5. So this, and not x, this is equal to 1.5. You can put it in the calculator. Okay. Now this one, I mean, this one's just going to be funky because 4 to what power is 9? I mean, that's just funky. That's, no matter what, that's not going to be nice. I knew that the other one was going to come out nice because it's all 5s, right? 25, 125, they're dealing with 5s. I knew somehow it was going to be okay. But with this one, no, this is going to be nasty. I'm sure it's going to be some long, nasty, drawn out decimal. So we're going to take log of 9 and divide it by log of 4. And we get, yep, I knew it, 1.584962501. Or we round it off, probably nearest hundredths, so 1.58.
Oh, I thought you said I had.
Okay, so 1.58.
But it's just you. I was like, you know,
So that's what you got to do. Those are your rules now. You should know these rules.